Hello children, today's our topic is about transport. Do you know what is the meaning of transport? No? Transport is going from one place to another place. We use different kinds of vehicles and ways for transporting. There is four kinds of transport. First is roadways, second is railways, third is airways, and fourth is waterways. Our first topic is about on roadways. Bikes and bicycles have two wheels. Autos and rickshaws have three wheels. Autos and rickshaws have three wheels. Cars and vans have four wheels. Cars and vans have four wheels. Buses and lorries have six wheels. Buses and lorries have six wheels. They all run on roadways. They all run on roadways. Our second topic is on railways. Rails have many wheels. Rails have many wheels. They run on tracks. They run on tracks. Our third topic is on airways. Airways is fastest means of transport. Airways is fastest means of transport. Aeroplane, helicopter are example of airways. Aeroplane, helicopter are example of airways. Balloons are also fly in the air. Balloons are also fly in the air. Our fourth topic is on waterways. Our fourth topic is on waterways. Ship is the biggest vehicle on water. Ship is the biggest vehicle on water. Boats, yachts are sailed on the seas. Boats, yachts are sailed on the seas. Do you like it? Yes? We already learned about transport. Now we do conversation about transport. So are you ready? Here is our first question. Name the four ways of transport. Name the four ways of transport. Our first way is roadways. R-O-A-D-W-A-Y-S. Roadways. Second is railways. R-A-I-L-W-A-Y-S. Railways. R-A-I-L-W-A-Y-S. Railways. Third is waterways. W-A-T-E-R-W-A-Y-S. Waterways. W-A-T-E-R W-A-Y-S. Waterways. And last one is airways. A-I-R-W-A-Y-S. Airways. Okay? Roadways, railways, waterways and airways. Our second question is, which is the fastest way of transport? Which is the fastest way of transport? The answer is yes, airways. A-I-R-W-A-Y-S. Airways. A-I-R-W-A-Y-S. Airways. Next is, how many wheels have bus? How many wheels have bus? Yes. How many? 6. S-I-X. 6. S-I-X. 6. Fourth is, what is the biggest vehicle on water? What is the biggest vehicle on water? A ship. A ship. What is the spelling of ship? S-H-I-P. Ship. One more time. S-H-I-P. Ship. A ship is the biggest vehicle on water. Fifth question is, where does train run? Where does train run? On tracks. On. O-N-on. Tracks. T-R-A-C-K-S. Tracks. Train runs on tracks. Sixth question is, which vehicle does not need petrol? Which vehicle does not need petrol? Answer is a bicycle. A bicycle. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Bicycle. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Bicycle. Seventh is, where does boats and ships sail? Where does boats and ships sail? On water. O-N-on. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Boats and ships sail on water. Next is, which vehicles have 4 wheels? Which vehicles have 4 wheels? The answer is yes, car and van. Car. C-A-R. Car. And A-N-D. And. Van. V-A-N. Van. Car and van have 4 wheels. Next question is, where does helicopter fly? Where does helicopter fly? Where does? Yes, in the air. I-N in T-H-E the air. A-I-R air. Helicopter flies in the air. Bye bye.